There are many small businesses you can start with little money or even no money at all. These businesses may not make you a millionaire overnight, but they can put money in your pocket and make sure you are never broke. So if you're ready to stop complaining and start doing something, stay with me because today I will share 10 simple businesses you can start right now. If you're meeting for the first time and this video sounds like something that you are interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like I always say, it is absolutely free. Let's get started. Business idea number 1 that you can start and can put money in your pocket if you are tired of being broke is ironing clothes for people from your house. Many people hate ironing clothes, especially busy workers. Leave alone busy workers. If you just take a list of your friends and ask them the kind of house chores that they don't like, they will tell you that ironing. Most of them will say ironing. I don't know why, but many people don't like ironing clothes, especially busy workers. So you can start a small service where people bring their clothes to your house and you iron for them for a small fee. This business will bring you customers. You will never go without customers because many people are busy and they are looking for convenience, anything that can save them time. So if you can offer that convenience to them by ironing their clothes for them, they will gladly pay you. All you need is just an iron box, electricity, and good customer service. So with this business, if you charge per piece, you can actually make good money every day. The next business idea is video editing. You can do video editing for content creators. There are a lot of content creators out here that shoot videos, but they don't know how to edit. So you can come in and do editing for them, especially for the long videos, YouTube long videos. Nowadays, many people are creating content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, but they don't know how to edit those videos. So if you can learn simple video editing skills, or if you already know simple video editing skills, you can help them edit long videos and short clips. The only requirement here is your computer or your smartphone and the editing skills that you got. Nowadays, to learn editing skills, information is everywhere. On YouTube, you can learn editing skills on YouTube for free. Simple editing skills, not everybody knows them. So if you got that advantage, why not edit for these content creators that don't know how to edit? And of course, at a small fee. And trust me, if you can do that for 2-3 people, you can get some money at the end of the day. A lot of content creators are always looking for editors. Business idea number 3 is that you can buy and resell thrift clothes. Thrift clothes, the so-called Mitumba, are very popular. This one, I had done it before. And when I'm talking about it, I surely know what I am saying. Just go to the market. Select the first camera. The first good qualities that comes out from the entire bale. Even if you will pick only 3 pieces or 5 pieces, iron them nicely, then put them on or ask someone to put them on as you take clear pictures of those clothes and then market them on WhatsApp, Facebook, or even TikTok. Trust me, you will make money from them. You will not even miss a sale. Remember, these are camera clothes, the first good qualities that come out of the entire bale. Camera are things that people love. So you're going to make sales from it and you are not going to be broke at the end of the day. Apart from selling them online, you can also sell them at home to your neighbors, to your friends, or even put a small stall in the market and sell them there. I promise you, you are going to make money from this and you are not going to be broke. You are not going to be complaining. You are not going to be asking for urgent 2K. Trust me. Many people are making good money from this business. The next business idea, I'm talking about people who are tired of being broke. You are tired, you need some money in your pocket. You are tired of being broke. The next business idea that you can do is Smokies. Sell Smokies and eggs. I'm telling you, this business, people will always eat Smokies. People will always buy eggs because they are cheaper snacks that everyone can afford. It is very simple and very easy to start. Just start with a few eggs and a few Smokies and you are good to go. If you don't have a trolley to be moving around or standing at a specific place, don't worry. You can use a bucket and make sure they are hot. Sell them when they are hot. If you don't have a trolley, for the trolley, there is a way they always have a jiko inside it. So the eggs and the Smokies are always kept warm. So if you don't have a trolley, You can use a hot pot. Yes, I've seen people sell smokies using a hot pot as they walk around. Or you can put the eggs in a transparent bucket so that if you're walking around, everybody sees them. Make sure you put them there when they are hot and start walking around before they cool. People like them when they are always hot. I'm telling you, if you sell these things when they are hot, you will make money every day. If you are looking for a business that can give you money every day, this one is one of them. The secret is the location and where you walk to. At the end of the day, you are going to be having some money in your pocket. The next business idea you can do is charging phones in areas where there is no electricity. There could be electricity in those areas, but not everybody has electricity. So, such areas, if you do phone charging business, you will always have money in your pocket because people will always want their phones charged. Nobody wants to be mteja. They'll rather take their phones to people who are charging phones, and you will make money from it. All you need is electricity and multiple charging cables. Once you have those different charging cables, you're going to be making money at the end of the day. It may look small, but many people depend on services like this. Business idea number 6 is home braiding. Many people are too tired or they are too busy to go to salons. So if you can do hair braiding, you can start simple with 1 or 2 clients, and then after braiding their hair, take good pictures, take clear pictures, share the pictures with people on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on TikTok. Let people know that you are a mobile braider, that you can go to their houses and braid their hair for them. That way, your business will grow. And trust me, at the end of the day, you will be having some money in your pocket. So if you can do someone's hair, why not consider this and be making some money every day instead of complaining that you are broke and also disturbing people with those urgent 2Ks. You can consider this as a business, and at the end of the day, you will not be broke. You will be having some money that you can use to pay chama, you can buy food, you can have some money that can sustain your little daily needs. The other business you can do is beauty services. Beauty is huge. Beauty industry is something worth tapping into. Offering beauty services like nails, eyelashes, and simple beauty treatments is a great deal because women and ladies will always invest in their beauty. They will not want to look shagala bagala. They will not want to look like their problems. They will always invest in their beauty. So this one is worth tapping into. If you can do nails, you can just be walking around with your small basket that is showing that you are carrying the nail polish, those things for doing makeup, just showing. As you walk, you also put on a reflector that is written a nail polisher, professional nail polisher. Just walk around as a way of marketing yourself. And I'm telling you, you are not going to miss someone calling you to come and do her nails or his nails for him. Nowadays, even the males, they do their nails. You are not going to miss clients. And at the end of the day, you are going to be having some money in your pocket. And that is what we are all about here. Apart from walking around offering this service, you can also do this business in your house. They can come to your house and you offer them these services just from your house. The next business idea that can take you out of brokenness is running errands. Go to market for people. Deliver parcels for people. Go and pick parcels and deliver them to people. Tell people that you can go and buy those things that they need from the market at a small fee and bring those things to them. It can be grocery shoppings for the month, because some people are too busy to do simple tasks. If you can offer these services I have mentioned here, they will pay you for saving them time. This is a very simple business, but it is very useful. I've seen a lot of people do it around me. This business can at least give you some money at the end of the day. The next business idea that you can do is you can teach people how to use AI tools. And these are simple things like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Cloud. Many people hear about AI tools, but they don't know how to use them. And the simple things that you can teach them here are things like how to write prompts, how to create content, and how to use AI for business. Simple things, the basic ones. You can teach people about these things. Out here, there are people selling prompts, and these are things that you can just do once you know the basics. So you can teach people these things if you know more about AI. People are willing to pay to learn these skills. If you know them, why not offer these services? And at the end of the day, you will be glad. You will be having some money in your pocket. This is a business that you can consider. Business idea number 10 is you can sell vegetables and fruits. Food business will always work because people must eat every day. You can get these fruits and vegetables at wholesale price in a local market near you, then come and resell them in your neighborhood. Hey, don't underrate this kind of business. I'm telling you, people are making money from it. Mama mbogas are making money. Mama mbogas are educating their children. Mama mbogas are paying rent. So don't underrate this business. It may look small, but it will bring you money daily. And with time, it can grow into something big. And finally, the bonus idea. If you've watched this video up to the 10th one, I have a bonus idea. And this bonus idea is that you can be a Bodaboda driver. If you don't have a motorbike, you can still work as a Bodaboda rider for someone who owns one. Here you will have to agree on how much you give the owner at the end of the day. And the rest that you make will be yours. You can never go wrong with transport business if you really want to make money. Because people are always on the move. People are always moving up and down. Trust me, you will make money because many people earn a good living this way. So next time you feel like saying that you are broke, just remember that there are many small businesses that you can start. You may not become a millionaire immediately, but you can start from somewhere and grow step by step. The most important thing, like I always say, is taking action. Just start regardless. Now, let me hear from you. Which of these businesses would you start today? Tell me in the comments below. And if you enjoy content about business ideas and making money, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. And also, you can take time and watch one of these two videos or watch these videos and you're not going to regret it. Trust me. Bye.